Hello, hello. Today let's talk about the 360 degrees camera system on your Mazda CX-5. Woo! Let's start. This is really awesome. So smart, so innovative, so awesome, so safe. You have a rear and a front view monitor. The rear and front view monitor provides visual images of the rear of the vehicle when reversing, or if you are using the button on the left side. There it is on the left side of your steering wheel. There it is, a button with a view and a cam on top. If you're pushing this button, you can use the rear view monitor in case if you are going to use it if you are driving forward, for example, or if you are standing still with a car, then you can see the rear and front and side and awesome 360 degrees view. Yeah. On the right side, you can see the front side. On the right and left side, you can see the right and left side of your car. On the rear side, you can see the back side of your car. This four cameras will give you that information on that screen. On the left side of the big screen, you can see if you are shifting to gear number 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. You can see the front side of your car. This is the front camera system, and there are lines at the system, and these lines has some different viewing or ranges, the project of yellow, etc. But first, let's go. We are going to make a setup. We can adjust this camera system by your own. We are using this button control system to switch between the cams. This is really awesome. Here you can see now we are looking forward, and if I'm using a different cam system, this is full screen. Then we can switch to right and left only. Then you cannot see front and rear. That means switch it, and here you can see the range between your doors and an obstacle, for example. And it projects yellow lines. That means these lines are displayed as a reference for the projected path of the vehicle. The lines display the project vehicle path changing after you turn the steering wheel. This is on top for it. Of course, you can adjust the brightness level, the contrast, the colors, etc. It's better to look your own style. Hey, yeah, this is the color styling device, man. Oh, yeah. And there are more. Okay, let's talk about the lines. We have some lines. The projected path guidance mode display. The predicted path of the vehicle after you turn the steering wheel. Use this mode for parking or driving, or if there are some obstacles on the street, you can see what's going on 360 degrees around your car. The yellow things, that is the path of your vehicle. The extended vehicle with lines in blue, these lines indicate the vehicle's extended width. These lines are not displayed when the vehicle wheels are in the straight ahead position. And then there are distant guidelines. These lines indicates approximately distance to a point measured from the vehicle's rear or front, and the blue lines indicates a point about 50 centimeters. These are 19 inches from the rear bumper or the front bumper. The red and the yellow lines, which change position after you turn the steering wheel, indicates the points about 50 centimeters to 19 inches. For the red lines and 100 centimeters, these are 39.3 inches for the yellow lines from the rear or front bumper. And this gives you the information how far obstacles are away from you. yellow lines, red lines, blue lines. Oh, oh, oh. Take care. Do not crash into some obstacles with it. You can choose fixed access lines, or you can have a fixed access lines display type, or you can have an predictive vehicle pass assist lines, like here. And if we are going to drive this car, you can see the projected path guidance mode display the predicted path of the vehicle after you turn the steering wheel. This is a really awesome thing. This helps you to have a better parking skill, have a better obstacle drive by while you are using the 360 degrees camera system. This helps you a lot to not smash any object out of your car, and that will prevent you from accidents. Of course, there is a system built in which gives you information about there is an obstacle, me, and this helps you so much more to avoid of accidents while you are forward driving or reverse driving, etc. Yeah, but take care. You are the driver. You have to look, and it's up to you that you do not have an accident with that car here. It's not an automatic way to drive, but it helps you a lot. This is the 360 cam system, which should be installed on your Mazda CX-5.